Good afternoon, this is Kristen Parkinson and Joseph Hughes. We'll be going over our final presentation, which is DevOps. So throughout the semester, we've learned through the reading and through all the amazing group presentations about DevOps and how we can incorporate it into our business models. In this presentation, we're going to explain the key elements of DevOps, why adopting a DevOps model has economic value, and why we encourage everyone to adopt the DevOps model. So our key elements in DevOps, so we're going to be going over is collaborative development, continuous integration, testing, deployment or release, feedback, and monitoring. In collaborative development, developers and others throughout the organization have more time available to focus on improvements and innovations that contribute to the bottom line. Through continuous integration, controls are integrated into every stage of daily work in the software development lifecycle, resulting in better quality, security, and compliance outcomes. In continuous testing, DevOps enables developer productivity through APIs and self-service platforms that create environments, test and deploy code, monitor and display product telemetry, and operations interacts jointly with this process. In continuous deployment or release, DevOps yields greater stability and reliability because of the faster development and more frequent release schedule enables organizations to identify and resolve issues immediately. In continuous feedback provides provided on work, making information visible to enable learners and enables us to rapidly test product hypotheses, helping us determine if the features we are building are helping us to achieve our organizational goals. And finally, in continuous monitoring, telemetry from our build, test, and deploy process, as well as user behavior, production issues and outages, audit issues, and security breaches help us amplify signals as part of our daily work. Problems are visible and easier to identify through monitoring. And we have continuous delivery in DevOps. Continuous delivery creates an active community where everyone can see the latest changes and how their work impacts the project and gives direct feedback. The DevOps model has economic value. The DevOps model brings economic value through effectiveness, efficiency, faster delivery, shared knowledge, shared possibilities, or responsibilities, and employee job satisfaction. Now, the rationale behind DevOps, as we've seen the rationale put forth through the handbook, and we've seen many examples through many businesses like Google and Etsy, and we know that there is inherent conflict between development and operations, which can have dire results. Through DevOps principles and patterns, a dynamic learning organization can be achieved, resulting in a better product and work environment. So we can see here in this model the high performance DevOps companies achieve. They achieve 46% times more deployment frequency, their faster time to market, 7 times lower change failure rate, over 2,000 times faster lead time for changes. They have increased revenues and over 2,000 times faster mean time to recovery. So in conclusion, DevOps principles and patterns can help resolve issues between development and operations. DevOps can create a dynamic learning organization through shared learning and global shared resources. DevOps can achieve outcomes of fast flow and world-class reliability and security. DevOps can increase competitiveness, and DevOps can increase employees' satisfaction and reinvigorate employees through a fresh perspective. So let us know if you have any questions, and thanks for a great semester. Bye.